afternoon friends. Today we are going to start our subject EVS 1 म्हणजेच परिसर अभ्यास भाग 1. In this subject we are going to start today our new chapter number 2 motion of the earth म्हणजेच पृथ्वीचे फिरणे. In this chapter we are going to learn some subtopics like concept of rotation म्हणजेच परिवलनाची संकल्पना. In concept of rotation, to understand the concept of rotation, we will see an experiment of rotation of top. Then second topic we are going to learn, that is the earth rotation म्हणजेच पृथ्वीचे परिवलन. And third we are going to learn rotation of globe म्हणजेच पृथ्वी गोल. So student, first you should know about what is rotation. In motion of the earth, two concepts are very important, that is rotation and revolution. So first we will learn what is rotation. परिवलन म्हणजे काय? The turning of an object around itself is called rotation. Means what? The turning of an object. Suppose if we move an object, it will move around itself, and the imaginary line around which it rotates we call as axis of its rotation. म्हणजेच वस्तूच्या स्वतःभोवती फिरणाऱ्याला आपण काय म्हणतो? परिवलन म्हणतो. तर ती वस्तू ज्या अदृश्य रेषाभोवती फिरते तिला त्या वस्तूच्या परिवलनाचा अक्ष किंवा आस असं म्हणतात. मग अशी रोटेशनचे बरेचसे उदाहरण आपल्याला माहित आहे. जसं आपल्या घरी फॅन आहेत. As soon as you start the fan on, it rotates itself. Okay? तसंच वॉशिंग मशीन असेल. वॉशिंग मशीनला आपण एकदा स्टार्ट केलं की तो त्याच्या स्वतःभोवती फिरत असतो. So to understand more about rotation, I will show you some example. Example 1. Two-dimensional object. So in two-dimensional object, I have drawn one square. What I have drawn? I have drawn one square, and in that square I have taken a center point. This is our center point. Now what will happen in two-dimensional object? Square rotating around itself. What happened? Square will rotate around a center. To this center only our square will rotate. Why? Because whenever an object moves in a circular motion, okay, it has been around a center. So it will move around a center. So we call them as a center of rotation. What we call them as? Center of rotation. So this will happen in two-dimensional object. But when we will see in three-dimensional object. See, second example, we will see of three-dimensional object. Three-dimensional object. See, I have drawn. I will draw a figure. So this is the axis. This is the three-dimensional object. Here is the axis. In three-dimensional object, what happen? It will rotate around its axis. Where it will rotate? It will rotate around this axis. So axis is nothing but a line. So axis is nothing but a line which passes through the object, which is the center of the object. So this is nothing but an imaginary line. So in three-dimensional object, it will rotate through the axis, and we call them as a axis of rotation. What we call them as a axis of rotation. So student, with the help of the two-dimensional object and three-dimensional object, I hope you understand what is rotation. Now let us understand more about rotation with few examples. Okay, so I will show you some examples to understand more of rotation.